So in 2023, I got the OnePlus 12. It's been nothing but amazing throughout the years. Listen, I've had my fair share of great devices, but all in all, my main SIM card have stayed in the OnePlus 12. It's an amazing device. Look, my daily driver went like this. Back in 2020, I was using the LG V60, and it stayed in my pocket from 2020 to 2023. So in 2023, I moved on from the LG V60 to the OnePlus 12. And the OnePlus 12 has been my daily driver up until now, going into 2026. And it still have my main SIM card in it, right? But why? I mean, look, we got the OnePlus 13 out there. We got the OnePlus 15 out there. But the OnePlus 12 has been a ride or die device for me. And let me explain why. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the OnePlus 12 is my main device that I'm keeping up into 2026. Maybe in 2026, a successor might take its place. But right now, my main SIM card is in the OnePlus 12. Let me give you 5 reasons why. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So before I talk about why the OnePlus 12 still have my main SIM card in it for the past 2 years, I want to mention this. I carry 2 to 3 phones with me almost every day. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has my second SIM card in it. So this is my second daily driver that I rock with almost every day. And my third phone is the Tank 4 Pro. This has my third SIM card in it. And my fourth SIM usually go to a device that I'm reviewing and stuff like that. But so I have the best of both worlds, right? That works for me, right? Fast performance, great cameras, desktop mode, long battery life, and so forth and so on. So yes, I got the best of both worlds. I'm not complaining about it at all. But let me give you 5 reasons why I'm still rocking the OnePlus 12 as my main device going into 2026. So let's go. Coming in at number 1, fast performance. Out of any device that I carry every day, right? The OnePlus 12 and the Realme GT has always been the best performing devices for me, right? Listen, I've used the OnePlus 12 for a long time. The performance has been off the charts. I have no issues. It's fast and fluid. Plus, with the latest updates, I'm loving the OnePlus 12 even more. It's gotten faster with the latest updates. Plus, the camera system has gotten even better with the latest updates. I love it now more than ever, right? Even going into 2026. The latest update have made this device so good. This has been a beast of a phone, and I absolutely love the OnePlus 12 for performance, right? Why give up something that I'm happy about, right? The OnePlus 12 has been great for me. So why give it up? And that is number 1. So coming in at number 2, battery life. It's crazy how I went from the LG V60 awesome battery life to the OnePlus 12. Now the OnePlus 12 battery life has exceeded all my expectations. I have no worries taking this device off the charger in the morning, go about my day all day. And at the end of the day, I got battery left in the tank. I absolutely love this device when it comes down to battery life. The battery life right now on the OnePlus 12 is so good, I have no reason to give it up because the battery life has exceeded my expectations. So listen, OnePlus 12 battery life is absolutely amazing. So coming in at number 3, the camera system. So look, smartphone camera systems is subjective, right? Based on the user. Some people like iPhone cameras. Some people like Samsung Galaxy cameras. Some people like Motorola cameras. I like the OnePlus cameras, right? It's personal preference to me, right? Look, no one is right or wrong. Look, my thoughts about the OnePlus 12 cameras is great, right? It works. The footage is good. It's very reliable. I get great videos. I get great photos from this device. Why would I give it up? I have no reason to give up a device that gives me great photos and great videos, right? So the camera system on the OnePlus 12 is absolutely freaking awesome. I just don't have no reason to give it up. So to me, that's number 3. the camera system on the OnePlus 12. So coming in at number 4, reliability. As you know, we carry our smartphones everywhere, every day, and reliability to me is a top reason to even keep a phone, if you ask me, right? Look, when you need a clear phone call, the OnePlus 12 has been great for me. No drop calls at all. Obviously, it has to do with the carrier, right? I mean, if you got a reliable carrier, you should have no issues with reliability when it comes down to phone calls. Look, I've been rocking this device on T-Mobile, and it's been great for me for the past couple of years. The OnePlus 12 checked a lot of boxes in that category. Next, updates. The OnePlus 12 just received some updates, and it receives updates all the time, and it's running great. To me, that's a check mark. And look, no overheating, no app crashes, no OS crashes, no Wi-Fi issues, no Bluetooth issues. And to me, that's a check mark. So reliability is a huge reason why I'm rocking the OnePlus 12 as my main device. So coming in at number 5, the display. Look, a lot of people that would give Samsung a lot of credit for having the best displays, right? I would highly challenge that, right? The OnePlus 12 120 hertz display is absolutely stunning with the deep blacks and vivid colors. Look, watching movies and watching videos and reading text on this device is absolutely, I just love it, right? Plus, I absolutely love the curved display. Look, I've already told a lot of people that, and if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you already know this. Curved displays is something that I absolutely love, right? The look and feel of the OnePlus 12 is great, man. It's good. The display of the OnePlus 12 plus the speakers on here is absolutely great, right? Look at the design. The build quality is absolutely marvelous. I love the curved display. But yes, when it comes down to it, the display, the build quality, the look and feel in the hand, the curved display, to me, is something that I absolutely love. Why give it up when I absolutely love it? Okay, so there it is, right? 5 reasons why I'm still rocking the OnePlus 12 as my main device going into 2026. Now, look, I want to see some improvements, right? I want to see some updates, stuff like desktop mode, right? Let's get a fully upgrade desktop mode on this device. When I plug it in, it works, right? But it's not functional. Hopefully this year we will get updates to get it to work. Right now, desktop mode is okay. When I plug it in, it works, but it's not functional. Hopefully we will get that functional in the near future, which is absolutely marvelous, right? What favorite device that you love, right? Listen, I'm a type of person that will rock the device till the wheels fall off as my main device. It don't matter how many years that I'm rocking. It doesn't matter that they got newer devices out there. It doesn't matter. If the perfect device lands in my hand, for me, I will rock it for years. I don't switch my main device year after year, 3 times a year, 4 times a year when the new device come out. When I fall in love with a device, I will rock it till the wheels fall off, and I will rock the device for years. So the OnePlus 12 has been in my pocket since 2023, and I'm still rocking it today. And I will be rocking it in the future, and unless another device come along and take its place. But right now, there's no devices that I have in my arsenal, and I have over 200 smartphones. And out of 200 smartphones, the OnePlus 12 is the only device I'm rocking today that will remain with my main SIM in it. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.